Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel DevInshal. Like previously we have done many of the things related to CSS and I hope you all enjoyed that. So today also we will be covering up a CSS project, and in today's project I will be showing you how to build a custom map creator in CSS, or you can say using CSS. In this video will be really helpful for you. So remember to see this video from start to end so you can learn one to one things about this video, and this video will be really helpful for you if you just learn one to one important things which I am telling you in this video. This video will be also containing some of the important clues or the tags which will be really helpful for you and giving you help in future. So remember to see all the things and don't skip any of the part from this video. And if you have enjoyed this video and learned things from this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn these things and they can also just become full stack developer, or you can say coder. Then we can also just move on to programming languages to learn some programming like Python, JavaScript, and many other languages in future. But if you have not checked my HTML, CSS small videos which I have just uh, telling on my channel, you can check that out also, because that are also really helpful and they can also give help to a beginner if they want to just learn that things and become full stack developer of that. So just now we will be starting with our custom map creator project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building a custom map creator using CSS. So just now we have to start. So when we were just working with our CSS series and CSS video, which we have just covered up previously on, so we were just only using the one text editor, which is called Sublime Text. So today also we will be using that text editor to work with our project of custom map creator. So here I will be going to my search box and opening my Sublime Text editor from here. And you can see now my text editor has been opened. Now when your text editor has been opened, just you have to do one thing, just go to file and press new file here and make a new file. Now we will be saving the file with the same name like we were using previously on, which was index. So here I will be saving the file with the same name of index.html on my desktop, so it will be really easy for me to define the location and path of my file if I want to define. So it will be also not really difficult for a beginner if they want to just define the path or location of a file. So here I will be saving this file on desktop and giving the name as index.html. And if you are having same file with the same name, you don't have to, if you don't want that it should overtake that file, so you can give another name to save this file on the desktop, because if two files with the same name save, so one file overtake that file and all the codes of that file will be stored and all the codes of that file will be gone, and when you will be writing the new code, that will be saved. So remember to save with different name, but I want to overtake that because I'm not having any important things in my previous index.html file, so I can overtake that. I want to also and I want also to just show you the things which I am just doing here. So I will be pressing yes to overtake, because it also asks like it is already exists, so you want to replace that, so you can press yes to replace. So now we have replaced our previous index.html file with our new index.html file. Now we are just getting this, and now I will be writing the first code of HTML like tag and HTML, pressing enter. You can see all the starting code appeared here. Now I will be going to my desktop. Just you have to do one thing, open your index.html file which you have created, means HTML file. Here I will be opening this file, and you can see now my file has been opened and it is totally empty because I have not written one thing here in this file. So I will be now working with this file, and I will be taking this browser file at my right side and I will be working code at my left side. So I will be doing like this, and you can see now it is good. Now here we can just give the title. You can see there it is written at the top, it is written index.html, so you can just erase and write the title, but you don't have to erase. If you write title, it automatically disappeared here. Now you can just write the title. So just title should be related to your topic which you are making. So I will be just writing the title of we are just building custom map creator, so I'll be writing custom map creator. So you have to write this, save here and reload. You can see custom map creator title we are just getting at the top. Now when you have written that, just move to body tag, and for CSS, like we are building this project with CSS, so we have to just do CSS in one HTML file by using the style tag. So now I will be making a style tag in which I will be writing all my CSS codes which I want to write. So I will be raising this type text slash CSS because I don't want this thing. Then I will be moving down here, and just I will be now going to my body tag and making a h1 tag here and giving the heading of custom map creator, so I can remember this is the custom map creator which we are making. So I will be giving the heading, then I'll be saving and reload. You can see now we are getting the heading of custom map creator. I'll be zooming out because it is too much zoom in. You can see I'm just getting the heading of custom app creator here. Now I will be just changing its font size, you can, or font color. So now here I will be moving, and font family also. So here I will be now doing one thing. Okay, I press control, so because of that it was just not giving the tag. Now you can see we are just getting our tag of style. Now I will be moving down, and here I will be writing one thing. Just I will be moving again down, then move at the top, and just again. So now here I will be now writing this tag, means you are defining all the things in HTML, and I will be changing the font size here, and you can give any font size you want. First of all, I'll be giving font family, not the font size. And font family I want of Poppins, or you can just give Open Sense, I can give. So I will be giving that Open Sense comma sans serif. Save this file and reload. You can see we are getting the Open Sense font family, and I'll be taking this to center because it is stick at the sidebar. Now for taking it in center, you can move down, then write H1 tag and write here text align in center. Now we are just getting this here. Now I will be putting a link here. First of all, I will be taking it in center, save and reload. Now I will be moving down and making a button tag. And in this button tag, I will be writing a map creator. And I will be just giving the link. First of all, I will be now writing a tag. And in this a tag, okay, not this one a tag, I will be giving the a tag, this one. So a tag, and then you have to just give the link of this, which I'm just telling you. Just you have to move to Google, write Google Maps. So here you have to write Google Map, and just write or open Google Maps here. Then when you have opened, just you have to move here to your Google Map, and it will be showing you the location of your country and areas of your country. Now copy this link which we are getting at the top by pressing Ctrl A and Ctrl C. When you have copied this, just you have to move here and paste this link. Just when you have pasted this link, just save this and reload. You can see nothing happens because we have to also write here. So for now here you have to just write a thing from which it can show the link. So I will be giving the name of map creator. Now save this file and reload. You can see we are getting map creator link, and when I will be pressing that, so our custom map creator will be created, and I will be redirecting on that map. Now here for I will be just styling this button so I can just make it more good looking. So I will be moving here by writing a tag, then I will be just giving it the background, and you can just give it you can give the background of like black. So I will be making it simple, not more stylish looking button. And then here I will be giving the color underneath, means under here I will be writing the color of black, white. So here I will be giving white, and when you've written that, just write text decoration none. So here I will be writing none, and just save this file here and reload. You can see now we are just getting, and I will be giving it the padding, so it should be having spaces here. 15 pixel, save and reload here. You can see we are getting the 15 pixel padding, and I will be taking it down and more good looking. I will be making this. So you can give the border radius if you want to make it more good looking, and you can just set it to 15 pixel, save here and reload here. You can see in 15 pixel it is not too much good, and you can set it to 20, save and reload. So now it is, I think now it is good. So I will be taking it down. Okay, so here save here and reload. Now you can see it is good. Now I will be taking this button down. So for taking it down, just you can move here, and you can just use a div tag here. So I will be now first of all moving at the top, writing the div class here. So I will be giving the class of btn, means button, like previously we are giving. Then I will be writing this closing tag under this div. Save this, and then you have to just do one thing. Copy this btn which is written here by pressing Ctrl C. Move down, write dot btn and give the padding here. You can give the padding of 30 pixel or any other pixel you want, so it should be aligned here. Or if it is not good looking, you can give it to 60. Save here and reload. And now you can see, now I think it is good. Now if I press this button, so I will be redirected to my custom map creator. So if I press this, you can see now it will be waiting and redirecting to my custom map creator. You can use target blank to just open that in another window. So here if I write target, so move here and write target is equals to, and here I'll be writing blank. Save here and then move, and if I just press this, so it will be opening this in other. Okay, so it is not opening. Now here I will be just doing one thing. Here I will be writing 60, save here and reload. It is perfect. Now I'll be moving top, and then when you've done with that, just you can write another tag to just make it more good looking. So here when you've done with that, just I'll be saving this, and when you just save that, reload, and now if I show you by pressing control, you can see now it is opening in another window. So like that you can build your own custom map creator. You can see when I'm just pressing this button, so I'm redirecting on my map, you can see, which is custom map creator. So like that you can just build this. So like that you can just build this here, and I hope you understand how to build this amazing Google map in CSS or using CSS. And we have also used some of the HTML, but we have worked with only CSS. So I hope you understand how to build this custom app creator in CSS, and I hope you also enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn and become coder of this HTML and CSS. And you can also check my previous HTML CSS videos of 10 minutes, which I've telling you. That are a small project but really helpful if you want to learn HTML and CSS, and if you want to learn some of the projects about HTML and CSS. So I'll be meeting next project. So for today, good.